Hey, what's up guys and welcome back to askNK. This is the time of giving, and the folks at Botanic are doing it. They've released the free version of the Botanic library and also the TRAFFIQ vehicle library. So for those who like to get the Botanic nature library version 6.4, you can actually go over to the Gumroad, which I'm going to put a link in the description. That will bring you right here, and you can simply select the free version and test it. The free version actually comes with a couple of trees, some shrubs, some flowers, grasses, and also weeds. And for anyone who would like to take advantage of the amazing set of tools that comes with the Botanic library, you can do that. So this is very interesting to see that the folks at Botanic are doing this for everyone to be able to test out their tools before you can make that final decision of making a purchase. It's also worth knowing that if you would like to get the TRAFFIQ as well, you can get the free version and test it out. And the free version of the TRAFFIQ library comes with some street elements, some street signs, some vehicles, and also a bicycle. There is a very new update that is now available to TRAFFIQ 1.4, which actually allows you to add dirt, scratches, and bumps onto your model. Now this pushes for the sense of realism, and for those who like to take advantage of the utilities that comes with the TRAFFIQ, you will be able to do this. Beautiful stuff from the folks at Polygonic, and at the same time, if you like to get this on Blender Market, this is also available, although on Blender Market, you would have to support them with $1 to get this up and running. And for those looking for percentages off, there's a couple of percentage off that is currently available on Blender Market. So these are the ones I could find. The Grid Modeler from Kushiro is currently at 20% off. Actually, Kushiro has made all of his scripts and add-on 20% off, so just in case you would like to check out on some of the stuff, or maybe you missed out on the Black Friday sales, this is a very good time for you to come through and grab this, save up on that book and play with it. At the same time, the folks at Creative Shrimp are still doing the extended sale of 22% off, so just in case you like to get the photogrammetry course, this is right here. And we've also mentioned K-Cycles in previous times, and they're currently doing the extended sale for 25% off. So with this said, for those looking for freer stuff, maybe you're trying to get into Blender, the folks at CG Cookie are currently offering Blender 3 Basics Introductory course, which will guide you through Blender. So in case you're trying to get up and running with Blender, this course would guide you from the very basic stuff all the way to how you edit objects, down to sculpting, working with materials, camera, rendering, and how you can manipulate the Blender UI. So this is a very fantastic course from the folks at CG Cookie, and I've already seen a couple of courses from them that exist on Blender Market. At the same time, if you're thinking about learning more Blender stuff, there is also a free course from the folks at RenderCraft. So for you to get the free course, you just need to go over to the link in the description, which is actually rendercraft.com, and put in your email, click on get course, and this will bring you right here. So you'll be able to learn and follow up with the introduction to Blender for complete beginners, as this course is currently free, available till the 23rd of January 2022. This course is targeted for those who are thinking about learning how to model in Blender. So it takes you from the beginning of how you get to work with Blender, navigate UI, navigate properties, down to where you can do the actual model, and finally setting materials and rendering it. And of course, if you're looking for the course project, the course project is right here, so you can grab that as well. And that's about it. For those who like to get the free add-ons, or maybe you like to get some discounts or learn some free courses, all these things are right here in the spirit of giving. You can now grab this and do whatever you want to do with them. Tell me what you guys think about this one in the comment section, and until I see you guys in the next one, peace.